Hi guys, it's still your boy Deliverkadan EMYTOVA, and right now we're about to take this class to another session. Today is the beginning of something great to happen, and you don't want to miss this. We're starting the digital marketing class today, and if you're here with us, you're in the right place. Sit back, relax, don't go nowhere as we break down the principles of how to be an effective digital marketer. So don't go nowhere. I'll be right back. Let's go! Hey, what's up? How you doing? Happy New Year. If you're watching from anywhere in the world, it's still your boy Deliverkadan EMYTOVA, and today we're diving in depth into digital marketing, SEOs and whatnot. So if you're here for the first time, yes, this is actually the first time that we'll be here. This is the only place that teaches you how to be a proper dope content creator and still entertains you in the process. So today we're talking about digital marketing and the basics and the rudiments. So don't go nowhere, sit back, relax, get a pen and a paper, and be ready to be informed and entertained. I'm still your boy Deliverkadan EMYTOVA, and the class is about to be in session. Let's go! And welcome back. Today we're talking about digital marketing. We're unlocking online opportunities. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the promotion of goods and services through online channels. And these channels can be your website, social media accounts, email marketing, or maybe just running ads. So what are the benefits of all this, the characteristics and how to structure this? These are what we'll be talking about today. Let's go! So some of the key channels for digital marketing is as follows. It is your SEOs, your social media platforms, your email marketing. Content creation is key. As you can see, I am creating content just for you. So a lot of you ask, why digital marketing? Digital marketing helps you get across globally. Global access and reach. That is one. And it is cost effective. So when you know the rudiments of digital marketing, it helps you save costs by knowing what to do, how to do it, and when to do it. The beautiful thing about digital marketing is it helps you measure ROI, which is your return on investment. And it helps you have targeted audience, an audience where you know that they are specific to your niche. This audience are tailored to either buy your products or use your services. So you have to tailor your audience to the specific niche that your product or services is about. Let's go! So, a quick recap. We're talking about digital marketing. So, digital marketing, like I said, is the promotion of products and services on digital platforms. What are digital marketing strategies? Digital marketing strategies are strategies you can apply to enhance your digital marketing game. And these strategies are simple. Content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, SEOs, and paid advertisement. So, what is content marketing? Content marketing is basically just creating engaging content that attracts the target audience that you require, the specific niche. So you create content. These contents are what you use to market and advertise that product or services that you intend to sell to people. So that's content marketing. Then social media marketing is utilizing social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, X, WhatsApp, any social media platform that helps you get the job done. That is social media marketing. Email marketing, like the name implies, is basically just building an email list of targeted audience or niche that you intend to market to, and this audience are going to be your specific customers. Let's go! So search engine optimization. What search engine optimization basically means is optimizing your websites for the search engine so that it is ranked higher, it is easily seen across platforms, across people's profile and phones, directing people, which is your niche, to your website. So when you optimize your website, giving all the specific keywords, tags, and meta tags for that website. So when people search for related content or related needs, your website will rank higher on suggestions like Google and any other platforms that you intend to market. So what next? We're going on paid advertisement. That is essential. What I mean it's essential is a lot of us don't have the patience to wait for the period where all this organic approach will start to manifest and start to yield results. You can take advantage of Google Analytics and the likes and start running paid advertisements and get your goods, service, or product in the face of people, direct individuals that are ready to pay and get your service. You get the point. So let's say you've come this far with us and you're asking yourself, yes, I like what I hear and I want to get started. How do I get started? First things first, how to get started. Identify your niche. With your niche, you can identify the audience. Who am I intending to sell to? Who are the people that will most likely engage with my content? Who are the people that will most likely want to follow or buy what I'm trying to sell? Then choose relevant digital channels where you want to sell this your market or your product to. And these channels can be whatever you choose. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, the list is endless. So you choose your preferred digital platforms where you want to sell your product to. Then when you identify that, oh, this is my niche, this is my audience, and this is the platform where I want to sell, then you now start consistently creating relevant content. These contents are what you will market to people and getting them to know your product, engage with your product or services, engage with what you do, pass information to customers or potential customers. So all the steps, then you monitor and analyze the performance of these your content. Let's say you've created content now and you put it out and you see some engagement and all. I'll recommend Google Analytics for this, depending on the platforms you are showcasing your product or services on. But with this, you can now monitor and engage on with the performance of this your product or services. With this performance, you can now tell yourself and identify and say, oh, this product is doing good, this is doing badly, this is where we need to work on, this is what we need to do more, this is what we need to do less. With that, you can beat yourself and say, oh, okay, I'm on the right track the right trajectory to getting the desired results for my social media marketing or my digital marketing goals. Because the goal is the most important. The goal will help you drive and push. Let's go! So, now it's action time. I need you all to take actions right now. It's not just about sitting in the class and listening to some of these things that I have to say, because some of these things are really just words if you're not taking action. So I need you to now take action. In the comment section, let me know what are your long-term, short-term goals for digital marketing and content creation. I am here to help. Same way I want to win, I need you to win too. So outline those digital marketing goals, all the content creation goals that you intend to achieve this year, next year, this month, next quarter, and let us together as a community, as a family, because we're a family right now. You know, I'm your guy. So as a family, let's see how we can achieve these goals together. Let's go! So what are the takeaways from this class? The takeaway from this class is basically one, digital marketing requires consistency because you have to be consistent and deliberate. Deliberate in targeting your niche, identifying your possible audience and platforms, and it is a consistent effort. It is not a one-time thing. Just like SEOs, you don't just do one abracadabra and wave the wands and everything is all well and good. It takes consistent effort every day, putting in the work. You have to put in the work. I am here to help, but I need you to help me too. I remain your host, your humble self, the lyrical done, April, EMYTOVA, EMYTOVA. You know now. Let's go.